Welcome to Sage's presentation on X3 and how it benefits the chemical industry. Now, let's take a closer look at how Sage X3 specifically addresses these challenges. But first, let's explore its ease of use and how users can tailor their experience to meet their unique needs. The first thing you'll notice is that we are accessing X3 through a web browser. This means X3 is natively mobile, allowing you to access it from virtually anywhere, whether at your desk, on the factory floor, or even out on the golf course. Upon logging in, we are presented with a customizable dashboard that provides real-time insights into our facility's operations. Navigation is seamless with the visual process map, which can be tailored to each user's specific needs. From here, users can quickly execute sales quotes or orders, schedule tasks using the native CRM functions, or review product specifications. Below, we see several key dashboard elements, including a workflow monitor, which alerts users to any critical changes, an embedded external website, enabling real-time monitoring of external resources without leaving the dashboard, a calendar display showing scheduled events and important tasks. Let's shift our focus to X3's ability to manage regulatory requirements. Moving to the regulatory dashboard, we can see how X3 supports key areas such as R&D and pre-sales, manufacturing, quality control, and distribution compliance. If you ever need to find information, you can use the Elasticsearch tool at the top. This powerful feature allows you to search the entire database for records, functions, reports, and more, making it easy to locate what you need quickly. Additionally, help is always just a click away. By selecting the question mark icon, you'll be directed to Anytime Assistance from Sage, where you can access support and resources whenever you need them. Finally, Sage X3 allows you to work the way that best fits your needs by enabling you to create a customized landing page on the fly. Let's take a look at how easily a user can personalize their workspace. We start by adding a process map, followed by several queries, and finally, a calendar. To keep everything organized, simply select the gear icon to arrange the layout in a structured grid. Additionally, you can drag and drop gadgets using your mouse to customize your view effortlessly. Next, let's embed a video from Sage's latest release, Shop Floor Control. This allows us to leverage the power of Sage to keep our colleagues informed and up to date on the latest features. With this flexibility, Sage X3 ensures that your workspace is tailored to your specific needs, enhancing efficiency and usability. The chemical manufacturing sector faces unique challenges, from regulatory compliance and safety risks to supply chain complexities and production efficiency. Today, we'll explore how Sage X3 provides a comprehensive solution to these challenges, helping businesses like yours streamline operations, maintain compliance, and enhance productivity. Let's explore the various ways Sage X3 helps you maintain compliance. First, we'll review the controls that manage your sales teams, preventing restricted products from being shipped or sold in certain areas. Additionally, we'll see how safety team communications alert the front office about potential violations. To demonstrate Sage's compliance management, let's enter an order for axle grease. After inputting the customer's account number, we'll update the ship-to location in the BP management block to their California office, triggering Sage's restriction checks for that state. Next, in the lines section, we'll enter the restricted product FIN502. As soon as we do, a pop-up warning appears stating, "Registration indicates this product cannot be sold in California." At this point, we have the option to proceed or remove the product from the order. Realizing the restriction, we'll decline to add the product, correct the ship-to address to the corporate office, and re-enter the product. Upon re-entering FIN502, we see another restriction alert pop up. We'll close the window and proceed with entering the quantity, ensuring compliance while maintaining a smooth ordering process. Now that the order has been entered by the sales team, we can generate a pick ticket for the warehouse to fulfill the order. Since this product is managed by lot control, we can ensure the correct documentation will be available upon delivery. We begin by using our handheld scanner to locate the generated pick and define the destination location. Once selected, we can review the details of the pick, including the quantity to be picked, the storage location, the corresponding lot number, After confirming these details, we'll mark the pick as deliverable, indicating that it has been successfully picked and moved to the designated location, ready for the shipping team. Next, as we prepare the shipping document, we'll select the completed pick. Once the delivery document is populated, we can verify that the correct lot number is included. After finalizing the delivery document, we'll generate the necessary regulatory documents to accompany the shipment. Upon printing, we can see that the certificate of analysis, prepared by the quality team, includes the same lot information, ensuring full traceability and compliance. Now let's focus on how Sage X3 manages the batch record process. We begin by creating a work order to manufacture the bulk lube product. First, we'll add the item to be produced and adjust the quantity as needed. We'll keep the base formula or BOM code number unchanged and enter the completion date. Next, we'll confirm the required components and quantities from the BOM. After reviewing the operational steps to be carried out, we'll save the record, print the batch record, and review the production instructions. With the batch now scheduled, let's shift our perspective to the production floor. To review the in-process quality control, we navigate to the Quality Control landing page and select the Quick Entry icon. This allows us to capture all relevant details during the manufacturing process. After selecting the work order, we begin entering sampling data. As we input the color measurement, an incorrect value is detected. Thanks to conditional formatting, the field immediately changes from green to red, highlighting the error. Once corrected, the field returns to its approved color. We continue entering the rest of the values for the first sample. Additional samples can be recorded, each receiving a timestamp, ensuring accurate tracking throughout the batch process. With the quality control process complete, we now move on to finalizing the batch by recording labor details, including setup and run times. Now that all labor information has been entered, we can review the batch record to assess the impact of any recorded labor variances on the production floor. This allows us to identify any discrepancies, optimize processes, and ensure efficiency throughout the manufacturing cycle. In Sage X3, you can efficiently manage your regulatory documentation by either attaching external files or creating and maintaining them directly within the system. Here, we'll review the process of generating an SDS, Safety Data Sheet, within X3. Many key product attributes, such as CAS numbers, GHS classifications, and PPE requirements, are already stored within the system, simplifying SDS creation and maintenance. Once an SDS is generated, it can be linked to a product and integrated into automated workflows to ensure proper distribution, helping you stay compliant. Additionally, Sage X3 manages your statutory reporting requirements. The Chemical Abstracts Service, CAS Registry, identifies hazardous components within the products you manufacture and distribute. Certain jurisdictions require periodic reporting of hazardous materials at the CAS level. This reporting capability is built into Sage X3, providing accurate, compliant reports with ease. Here is an example of a CAS registry report generated within the system. The Sage X3 Chemical Formulation Module is designed to streamline and enhance your formulation process, providing full control over development, compliance, and cost management. With X3's powerful formulation module, you can develop or modify existing formulations to meet your specific needs. Link formulations to a project and track associated tasks and costs. Leverage a standard workflow approval process for consistency and compliance. Utilize the sandbox feature to analyze cost impacts before finalizing a formula. Use built-in calculations to ensure formulations meet precise specifications. Identify potential hazards early in the development process. Define and track quality requirements for consistent product performance. Provide detailed production instructions to guide your manufacturing team. Automatically associate regulatory documents to ensure compliance. Manage CAS components to simplify the creation and maintenance of SDS documents. Estimate costs and selling prices using the bill of materials, incorporating margins, fixed costs, and development expenses. Track formulation performance within the CRM module. Monitor sample shipments, quotes, and orders. With Sage X3, you can efficiently manage your entire formulation process from development to distribution, ensuring compliance, quality, and profitability every step of the way. Sage X3's chemical enhancement provides a comprehensive solution tailored for the unique challenges of the chemical industry. It enhances compliance, efficiency, and traceability, ensuring smooth operations from formulation to distribution. Some of the key benefits include regulatory compliance management. Stay compliant with industry standards like OSHA, GHS, REACH, and EPA through automated tracking, reporting, and documentation. Advanced formula and recipe management. Easily develop, modify, and scale formulations while maintaining ingredient traceability, cost analysis, and regulatory oversight. Lot and batch tracking. Ensure full traceability of raw materials and finished products, improving inventory management and quality assurance. Hazardous material and SDS management. Automate safety data sheet. Creation and distribution, helping manage hazardous materials safely and in compliance with global regulations. Quality control and testing. Capture in-process and final product testing to guarantee consistency and meet quality standards, reducing errors and rework. All while Sage X3 optimizes cost and margins with real-time estimation tools that factor in materials, labor, and overhead expenses. With integrated workflow and automation, streamline approvals, task management, and reporting, ensuring seamless collaboration across teams. Sage is designed for scalability and flexibility. Sage X3 supports multi-site, multi-currency, and multi-language operations, making it an ideal solution for global chemical manufacturers. With Sage X3, businesses can confidently manage compliance, cost, quality, and efficiency, all in one integrated ERP solution.